Good morning, sunshine. Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well, well, well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. You gonna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten. Mr. Dexter, fuck off! Fuck! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now.
God damn it. It's typical. Just typical. I'm on it!
Yeah, we'll do. Thought I was just a sarge. He looked very happy. Probably had a session, if you know what I mean, right? Anyway, I left the pistolas for you to pick up at the front desk. Oh, yeah, they are beautiful. Actually, I'm thinking of using them for my son's birthday. Ah, yeah.
Every year, Merle. Every year at the Hope Fair, we have to haul your pumpkin ass. I'm not drunk. I'm just pressed out. Please. I can smell it from over here. So what is it this year? Defecating the water fountain, interrupting the mayor's speech by publicly declaring to be Jesus. Yeah. Took away your license months ago. You know better than that. I demand to talk to Sheriff Skarky. Sorry, Merle. The sheriff just threw one of his tantrums.
I don't normally complain, but it's every 30 minutes or so. Kept me up all night. And it's right before fair day, too. I'm trying to win a goldfish.
Those are Dexter Industry trucks. My hands are tied.
Oh, bullshit. I want to file a formal complaint. Why did I have to drive down the street anyway? They can take another road.
Sorry, Dustin, but you gotta take it up with City Hall. They're the ones greenlighting the convoys. I wouldn't hold my breath, though. You know Dexter Industries employs half a hope, so they get a lot of leeway. Hey, who's the mystery guy? Skirky looked unusually pissed off.
I don't know. Didn't get a look at him. Guy's no local, though, I'll tell you what. Check out those pistols.
What the? All right, who did that?
Police station, Chloe speaking. Armed vehicle? On Main Street?
Just
town.
Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Ow! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff!
Christ, what a dipshit.
Alpha team, stay on mission. Line 47.
I want sentry posts here, here, and here. 4 teams sweeping the building throughout sectors 5, 7, and 12. Standard A-16 pinch maneuver. Flush them out like a rat.
Relax, sir. My man should have covered.
Yeah? Wait up until they get fiber wire and shove inside a dumpster. Work the wise there. Don't underestimate it. It'll be the last thing you do.
Something just... 2 seconds. Hey, who threw this?
Hey, just wait right here.
Target won't be able to get through this way. Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
Skylight, I have a visual on the town sheriff. Moving towards the church. Try to take him out. Over.
Doesn't make any sense. How can he just give us the drop like that?
What'd you expect? The guy's a ghost. Why do you think he's been the agency top man for all those years? He's the scalpel. We're the hammer.
We shouldn't be out here, man. It's bad luck hunting your own.
Cool it. Brute force always prevails. I don't care how good this guy is. He's bound to slip up sooner or later.
Stop that! Stand up!
What the?
Anyone out there?
Hey! There. Show yourself.
Sheriff, do something!
Are you okay, my son?
Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skirky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Hold down!
Ah! I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself. Blackwater Park! Blackwater Park!